Hello, everybody, Darcy Marler here. I'm so glad you found me, either my webpage or my YouTube channel or my course landing page. So glad that we got together. Obviously, in order to get here, you have some interest in real estate development. So can I get you to maybe watch the next 2 or 3 minutes of this video just to learn more about me, who I am, what I do, and how I help real estate investors get into real estate development. It's fun, it's creative, and exciting. I think you're really going to love it. So what I do is I help real estate investors transition into this exciting world of real estate development. And by development, I don't mean we're going to fix stuff up. This isn't about flips or condo conversions or burst strategy or rentals. We're not talking about fixing up old properties. What we're talking about is maybe tearing down stuff and building new and the various strategies that we can do there. We're talking about redeveloping existing properties into something fun and new. We're talking about greatly increasing density and inventory, stopping the urban sprawl. Let's come back in and do better. Be more efficient. We're talking about bringing out the full value of raw land. I love to do that. We're going to put more tools in your toolbox. I'm basically the options guy, and I'm going to use micro-strategies to do that. Now, what are micro-strategies? Well, these are just ways that smaller and regular size investors can get into land development, new construction. We can do things like upzoning or entitlement, where we're just changing zoning and density, maybe usage, and just changing things on paper and then selling that to the next person, probably a builder. We can do land assembly, land severance, creating service lots, raw land development, building a laneway house. We do infill development, knock down the old house and build a 5-plex. How cool would that be to actually do something like that? This is kind of what we teach you. So who's the type of person that gets into development? Well, typically, you're probably already a real estate investor. Maybe you're tired of tenants. Maybe you're tired of renovations. Maybe you're tired of going to Home Depot every day. Maybe you're frustrated that the existing strategies don't seem to be working. It's really hard to cash flow most single family homes around. Multifamily, that's kind of less of competition there. Airbnb was great for a while, but that's starting to lose its luster as well. The BRRRR strategy getting harder to refinance stuff. So maybe that's you. Maybe you're frustrated and feeling stuck. Maybe you're bored. Maybe your flips and rentals are okay, but you just got no passion left. Maybe you're an investor who's got property they want to develop, but you don't know how. Maybe you've always dreamed about constructing something new or developing raw land. Maybe you're working in the industry as an architect, civil engineer, something like that. You're just tired of seeing your clients making all the money. So who am I? My name's Darcy Marler. I've been an investor full-time for 22 years. I've done all the strategies, long-term, short-term, flips, BRRRRs, condo development, all that. I've done small, medium, and large developments, including a racetrack. I got a racetrack and casino built in my hometown. I built 46 new homes, duplexes, single or multifamily. I've owned close to 100 properties, 240 doors. I've had 1,000 tenants in my time. I've written 4 books on real estate investing, and now I've developed this new real estate development course. It's called Residential Real Estate Development as a Profitable Investment. It truly is really the only course out there teaching this stuff, and it's a really great course. It's 15 hours of online content, video content. Start when you want, take it at your own speed. There's tons of white papers, case studies, examples, spreadsheets. You get lots of personal attention from me. Every week live, we do a group Q&A session for an hour. We do deal analysis. We do problem solving, general questions, whatever you want to talk about. And then best of all, we've got this private Facebook group. All the students are in this group. It's really rare to get a bunch of investors together. So take advantage of that. Network, ask questions. And we're starting to invest together as well. So that's a little bit more about me and what I do. If that interests you at all, then let's dig into this a little further. If you're not already on the course landing page, I urge you to go to that. That's the first QR code. Tells you more about the curriculum of the course, some testimonials, some students taking action. Those videos are great because they kind of show you what regular investors, just like you, what kind of fun stuff they're up to in this real estate development world. For more information yet about development, I've got a webinar. It kind of gives you, it's about half an hour. It kind of gives you an overview of real estate development in general, the different things you can do, some more detail, and then a little bit more information about my course as well. After that, if this is what you want to get into, Darce, this is what I've been looking for all along. Let's get together. I urge you to reach out to me. Let's book a Zoom call. On any of these pages, you can find a link to do that. So let's get together and talk about your future real estate development.